My beloved self in Alpha, I bless you. Today it is 1st of December 2021. This is the day in 1987 I took oath to be a spiritual person. So I remember this day. This is the day in which I smoked my last cigarette. I forsake all my bad habits and started to become a saint. So this is the day, December 1st. It's a very memorable day for me. On this auspicious day, I would like to inform you that I have started an organization called Global Community for Peace. Global Community for Peace. This organization is to give real peace to the world. Actually, UNO is there, United Nations organization is there. It is a global organization, but with people with more weapons are the leaders of that organization. Whereas in our organization, the people with more love, like me, will be the leaders of this organization. They should love the humanity, they should love the nature, and so their activities should be pro-nature, pro-humanity. For example, the UNO allowed Indian peacekeeping force to enter into Sri Lanka during the Sri Lankan war, civil war between Sri Lankan Tamils and Sri Lankan military, Sri Lankan government. In that, the Indian peacekeeping force supported the ruling Sri Lankan party, and it helped to suppress Sri Lankan Tamil interest. And now the Sri Lankan Tamils are still under the direct ruling of, as they don't like the existing ruling, the Sri Lankans. There is no real liberty, freedom to the Sri Lankan Tamils in Sri Lanka. It exists, such a situation exists all over the globe. People with more weapon used to rule the world in the name of keeping the peace. So this irony should be removed from the administration. Therefore, we take up the administration. I am the world leader now. I am for peace. I am for harmony. I am for nature. I am for love. Therefore, with this introduction, I ask everyone, every citizen of the globe to join hands with me and make my hands stronger so that we have a real peaceful world where there is no weapon. Our first aim is to eradicate the imaginary boundaries between countries which require paper to move across. Even if the boundaries are there, we are trying to form an administration that allows people to move from one place to another place across the borders without any papers, except into one's individual or company premises. Other than the company or individual premises, all other boundaries are imaginary. They are actually not having real value to the welfare of the people, society and the community. For communication and community, the barriers should be removed. Therefore, we first against the international barriers among countries. So these barriers should be removed. If at all the barriers are maintained, the papers should be removed to enter into exit any boundary as far as the countries are concerned. This is our first objective, and weapons should be slowly eliminated. This is our second objective from the globe. Shiv Om.